Hey everyone! Welcome back to the XRCC YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a baseball game with physics in XRCC. You can download the project example from the description box to help you get started. Once you enter the project, you'll see a ball in front of you. However, you might find that you can't interact with it and it's floating in the air. To enable interaction, you need to activate the interactable and grabbable toggles in the inspector, as well as enable gravity under the physics settings. In XRCC Play mode on PC, you can hold the right click to grab the ball. When you release the grab button to throw the ball, it will follow the same speed and direction and continue moving according to physical laws. But walking around the XR world can be cumbersome for users. To enhance the experience, let's reset the ball's position after it's thrown. Select the ball and switch to behavior mode. Add a new action named Reset. This action will return the ball to its starting position once triggered. We'll define the trigger later. Drag a Set Position block from the Motion section onto the canvas. Then, add a Vector 3 block and connect it to the Set Position block's target input. Copy the current ball position from the Edit Mode inspector and fill in the corresponding input fields. However, when the ball returns, it still retains the throwing force. We want the effect to be as follows. The ball returns to the starting position. It clears all applied force. It naturally falls into the box. To achieve this, add a Set Static block from the Physics section and connect it to a Wait For block. Set the wait time to 0.1 seconds. Finally, duplicate the Set Static block and disable its toggle. Now, switch back to Edit Mode. Select the Reset button and define the action to toggle with the ball. Lastly, select the target and turn on the interactive toggle. If you want a more baseball-like experience, you can freeze the Y-axis position of the ball. And there you have it. This is the result on PC. If you play this project using a VR headset, you can grip the item by holding the grip button, depending on your controller settings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If there are any XRCC topics you'd like to learn about, feel free to leave us a message. Your creativity your way. See you next time.